Hi class, I wanted to show you some of the cool features in CommonLit. So for example, here is this text, what is the International Space Station? Now I'm looking at the teacher view, but go up here. Well, first of all, you know that you can do a read aloud with it, right? Or you can listen to it read to you. I love this paired text, and I love it because it gives you different genres. So for example, a speech, biography, and another informational text. It also gives you different lexile levels, so some of them are more challenging. It also gives you different ways to look at the issue. So having 5 different texts about a related issue is going to give you a much broader depth of knowledge than reading a single text. I also love this because many of us process information much better when we can both see and hear, right? When we get the visual as well as the auditory. So here are related media. So how to build a space station, 3 discoveries made by the International Space Station, and everything about living in space. These are quick videos that will add more breadth and knowledge to your comprehension and understanding. And I strongly recommend that you go through the paired text and the related media before you do the assessment for the text. I recommend that you read through it, annotate it, go through the guiding questions, and then go to the paired text and the related media. Come back to the story, review your annotations or text, review your annotations, and then do the assessment questions. That way you'll have a greater understanding of the topic. All right, that's it for now. Thanks.